Hello, everyone. How are you today? Let's sing a couple songs. ちょっと歌を歌ってみようか。Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Helicopters in the sky. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pen, pineapple, apple, pen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Kamen Rider, punch and kick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Katsuyama Park is fun, fun, fun. Okay, let's do one more song. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Yes, I do. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat oranges and peaches. I like to eat oranges and peaches. Yes, I do. I like to eat oranges and peaches. I like to eat oranges and peaches. Okay, now can you please take out a new dog? ちょっとこれ一回取り出してくれる？で、先生が読みながら先生の言うことをしっかり聞いて先生の声に合わせてページをめくってね。Page 1. Kipper wanted a dog. Page 2. Everyone wanted a dog. Page 3. They went to the dog's home. Page 6. They looked at the dogs. Page 8. Kipper wanted this dog. It was too big. Page 10. Biff wanted this dog. It was too little. 小さすぎたって。Page 12. Mom wanted this dog. It was too strong. 力がありすぎた。強すぎた。Page 14. Everyone liked this dog. みんなこの歌犬が好きだった。They took the dog home. Page 16. Okay, can you please get out a piece of paper? 紙1枚取って、please write number 1, 2, 3. 丸1、丸2、丸3. And please write your name at the top. 上に自分の名前書いてね。Please write your name at the top. Here we go. Question number 1. 先生が言った英語は何ページにあるかな？ Question number 1. 質問1. Question number 1. Kipper is reading a book. Kipper is reading a book. 何ページかな？ What page is Kipper? Kipper わかるよね？黄色い髪の毛の人。Reading 読んでる a book. What page is Kipper reading a book? Question number 2. What page is Floppy? Floppy はこの犬のことね。What page is Floppy jumping? What page is Floppy jumping? What page is Floppy jumping? Question number 3. 最後の質問ね。What page is Mom tripping over a small dog? Mom has a tray of cups and she trips over a small dog. What page is this? Mom trips over a small dog. Mom has a tray of cups, like a teapot, and she goes, "Oh no!" What page is that? Okay, that's all for this mini lesson. See you later. Bye-bye.